Make sure it's on video.
It's breaking this
It
one.
is.
Okay, she'll turn it out over again.
Lay down, Ali.
Oh,
Man, I'm tiny.
this one. Sick over. Canada Day was yesterday.
That one was a heart.
I think we got it on camera. Well, we could have got a closer view. Yeah.
That one's pretty.
Kind of hurts my ears. Oh my god, no. It's coming close.
What if they just burn the whole building?
Then I'll be like,
Well, YouTube, this is 4th of July for us.
that sounds like rain. Oh, that's cool.
I know what that one.
I can just see them going off.
I see all this bullshit. That looks so cool.
It looks like a dome on the camera.
I know. A dome. See, then you should zoom in. And on tiny ones, you should zoom in on tiny ones.
You know they're bigger when they go way the hell.
Dude, I like the ones like where they shoot up in the air and then they change colors. No, it's a flower.
Huh?
Come on, baby girl.
Come on, sexy.
You want me to do it? I got it.
Kid, Anna could do it for you.
Let's have Amber do it.
Yeah, it's baby. Oh, you can see her in the dark.
Flower ones are really cool.
Okay, well, I'm gonna give the camera to Anna. Here you go, Anna.
Wait, are you guys making a movie?
Yeah, about this?
For YouTube. No way they get two colors and they twist up the little Don't get over that. Can you still see?
Come on, sit down with us. Can you play with it now?
Whoa! Dude.
Good. Come on. Come on, Lovey. Go. Go. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay. Come on.
From my distance, it looks like it's coming out.
I know.
That looks.
Like an Earth.
That looks like a Saturn.
Yeah.
Come on, Lovey. Right here. Come on.
Go on. Gliding off though. Firefighters.
Go.
Oh, dude, those look cool.
Is someone over there?
No, it's just the sound, the echo of the fireworks.
If people are mad, like really mad, because they're like,
What's going on? Oh my god, this looks so cool. Nah, I answered you. Dude. That looks so cool.
She took his face out.
Woo, it's so cool. Oh my god.
Look at that. I know why.
Whoa.
So much pollution.
Whoa.
Oh, I care.
Whoa. This looks so cool. Oh wow. Dude, this looks cool.
It would look more better if we had 3 people.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
Don't. Cool. Oh my god. Oh, that looks so cool. Dude. Those look cool. Oh wow. Those ones just like look. Oh my god. Those look so cool. Dude, those look so cool. Those look so cool. Pollution. Do you know we have a YouTube channel? We have a YouTube channel.
What's it called? Pollution.
Cheap, no.
Come on, sexy.
I don't know. You gotta ask Taylor. Oh, baby. Cool. Huh. Yeah. So wait till I get it.
What's your YouTube channel?
Firework.
Is it called Firework?
No. You gotta ask Taylor.
Taylor, what's your YouTube channel called?
Sup, bro?
Right
I
here.
just want to see all the videos.
Put that big face on Taylor.
Oh, but still. Oh my god, it's gonna get me all wet. That one looks so cool. Oh my god.
The only thing I care about.
Oh my god.